Welcome to Kocheng Pinoy, the pioneer in discovering Filipino automotive builders. We look for the most talented car builders in the country and showcase them for your support. Our first builder is Fiber Kits Philippines, under the direction of founder Jaime Garchitorena. Since 2012, Fiber Kits Philippines has been rebuilding and assembling vintage cars such as classic Porsches, Lamborghinis, Volkswagens, and other brands. They also build custom kit cars which adhere to a client's design. Every kit car built is meticulously handcrafted with fiberglass. Fiber Kits Philippines can also build a perfect replica car of your choice. Alternatively, you can also buy the body shell alone and install it in a donor car.
Industrial design, pero sa college safety. Then I worked in a thesis which was like an innovation of a Filipino chip.
Our next builder is a well-known automotive company here in the Philippines, and they are also one of the pioneers in local transportation in the country, Sarao Motors. Sarao Motors is a Filipino automotive manufacturing company based in Barangay Pulang-Lupa in the heart of Las Piñas. The company designs, engineers, manufactures, and distributes jeepneys, the icon of Philippine transportation, also known as the King of the Road. Jackie Sarao, the grandson of the founder Leonardo Sarao, created a prototype AUV for his thesis, a modern-day interpretation of the Philippine jeepney. His prototype is powered by a 4.2-liter diesel engine. It features captain seats for the driver and passenger in front, and bench seats at the back. This layout is very common on luxury cars. As of now, this prototype is still being refined, so look out for this AUV, which will be available to the Philippine market soon.
As a driver, you really have the 100% vision around.
Aurelio Concepts, founded by Brendan Aurelio, is an architect by profession. He started building prototypes from scratch in his backyard since 2004. From its humble beginnings to 10 years of hard work, research, and development, he created the supercar named Aurelio. The Aurelio boasts of a powerful 1800cc turbocharged engine, producing 500 horsepower. The body is mostly fiberglass reinforced plastic, which brings the overall weight to only 632 kilograms. A supercar that is very powerful, yet is affordable. The project may continue to evolve and be enhanced further. The Aurelio Concepts are now accepting investors and partners for further development of the project. In an age of technological innovation and mastery, it is about time that the core values of being Filipino, fidelity, loyalty, hospitality, and hard work has taken center stage in the automotive industry. From advanced concepts to revisiting older times to recreating an icon, the Filipino car builder has a bright future ahead. For more information on Filipino car builders, please visit kochengpinoy.com.